So this is our stateroom. We are room 8532 on the Disney Dream, and it is an ocean view veranda room. So when you come into the room, here on the left hand side we have our split bathrooms, which are always one of the best parts of a Disney cruise room. So first door is into our bathroom, so really nice size. So this is the toilet area, and then when we come here, this is our bathtub area. So excuse, it's a little bit messy, we've been using it, but you have a bathtub and shower, and you also have two of the clothesline hooks, which are really useful for hanging up stuff that you need to dry, any swimsuits, etc. So there's actually two of those, and then our usual Disney shampoo, body wash and conditioners. I absolutely love the body wash. I love the smell of the body wash, and some of the body lotion as well. And then on your right hand side when you come in is all your storage. And actually, being back on this class of ship for the first time in 2 or so years, I've really realized just how much storage there is, and it's so good. So you've got a full length wardrobe area here, you've got storage up here, there's a safe just here, and more shelving. So you're able to hang as well as have shelves. And then on this side, you've got your life vests up above. You have shelving storage here and hanging space as well. So I was able to hang up all my dresses, and I put all of my like packing bags. Had them all sorted here. So, and then when we come in here, we've got more storage, so more shelving, more drawers, lots and lots of storage in here, which is great. This is a connecting room, so actually, because we were sailing with my parents, we've had this open quite a lot so that we can go to and from each other's rooms, and the same with the veranda as well. So in terms of power outlets, you've got some by the bed here to the left, and then you have some more over by the desk as well. So no power outlets on the right hand side, so just on the left hand side. And here you have the sofa bed, so this can become another bed, and we didn't need it, obviously, it's just the two of us, but it's good to have that option if there were more of you in the room. And we have more of our power outlets over here, so you can see we're using some of them at the moment, so plenty of space to charge, especially when you have your multi-plug. So you've got 110 volt here, and then you've got your 220 volt over here, which is the one you need for the hairdryer, and you've got a USB-A and USB-C here on this one. So definitely recommend a multi-plug, because yes, there's a few outlets, but maybe potentially not enough if you have multiple devices to charge. So, you know, I'm charging my camera, we've been charging our smartwatches, and so on. And then here you have lots more storage as well, so this was great, this was really handy. I had all my tech stuff in here, and you've got your drawers here as well. So you've got your hair dryer and your mat for any hair straighteners or hair curlers as well, and other drawers here. And this is your cooler, so you can see we were chilling a bottle of Prosecco in there, and that's nice for keeping stuff cool. And you've got some more little shelves up here, and we've been just using those to store some of our pixie dust gifts that were very kindly gifted to us on the cruise. Some really lovely artwork here, and this artwork is gorgeous, and it's just kind of funny now that it's also out of date, I guess, because we've got so many more ships now, but it's the Magic, Wonder, Dream and Fantasy. I love these rooms, they're very, very classic, and I really enjoyed the theming of them, because they're that little bit more classic. So more artwork above the bed, and then you can see under here plenty of room for storing your luggage as well. So we were when we boarded, you know, we unpacked our cases, put everything away, and we were able to just leave cases under the bed for the duration of the trip. The walls in here are also magnetic, so we have had hooks up all week to hang up any of our lanyards and so on, so you can utilize those as well. And then we have our gorgeous veranda, and we had our veranda opened up by our stateroom host. We had a, oh jeepers, this is wrong way. So yeah, that's a good point actually, if you're very worried about children and having a veranda. These doors are very heavy and very hard to open, and you do also have a lock up here that you can turn to make sure that they can't open as well. So even I can't open them. And as you can see, if you want, you can have your veranda opened up to share with the person next door to you. They'll take out that middle piece, and it means that you've got lots and lots more space, which has been really nice to be able to go back and forth to my parents' room. And it's just really lovely to have a veranda view when you're cruising. So totally worth asking for this to be opened up if you're in a connecting room. Just makes it feel like you have that little bit more space. So overall, absolutely loved our room. Very similar to our room that we had on the Fantasy. I feel like we probably utilized it a lot more this week because we were on a 7-night cruise, so we were able to properly store things away and unpack. So when we did the Fantasy, it was only a 4-night. We didn't necessarily fully unpack, but for 7 days it's nice to have all that storage to kind of unpack and just make you feel at home for the week. So yeah, absolutely great room, loved it. Very sad to be leaving.